Boom, boom. Hi viewers, don't screw past. Let me show you how to use this eye laser effect onto your video using CapCut. Boom, boom, boom. Now within inside my phone, let's go and look for CapCut. Okay, I think this is it. Select new project, click on it. Scroll, let me scroll and look for the video that I wanted to use. Okay, look at the two videos, one that I wanted to use. This or this one. Let's select this one that has 14 seconds. Let's go. Now you look for effect, which is here. Effect, you click on it. You click on it, or you click on body effect. We wait until it appear. I think we are seeing something similar to it. Then let's slide and look for power, super power. Look at it here. Remember, the one that is above here, we are written is Pro. It's the paid version. You have to pay for it. Let's test and see. Wow, here we are. Mind you, it's advisable for you to adjust it. Look at the filter. See? Let me start it. You have to drag it to the end. Okay, now let's go back to the body effect again. Yeah. Okay, you click on adjustment. This filter, I need to reduce it to 0. If not, it will change the color of your video. Okay. Let's reduce the filter to 0. As we are seeing my video. Now, imagine the colors change. Depend what you are looking for. See, under the range, you see, when you click on color, also the color change. When you click on intensity, it also change. It's advisable for you to reduce the filter to 0. If not, you won't be able to use it. Okay, now after that, you save it. You drag this one to the end of the video. Let's say this is the end of it. This is the end of the video. Then you remove this ending. Okay, now you come here and save. Export. Click on it. You wait until it completes. So it's done. It's left to you if you want to share it to your TikTok or Instagram or to your story, YouTube, WhatsApp, Facebook, etc. Thank you. See you in the next one.